Hey everyone, Chelsea and Brandon here with the Verde Canyon Railroad. Here's a fun fact for you.
The creation of the Bloody Mary is often credited to a bartender in Paris during the 1920s. Fernand Pete Petio was his name, and Harry's Bar was the place. Paris was a popular destination for many U.S. expats, including Ernest Hemingway, and a destination for Russians escaping the revolution and wars in their country.
Russians brought the vodka from their homeland, while Americans brought canned tomato juice to the City of Light. By Pete simply adding spices, lemon juice, and seasoning, the Bloody Mary was born.
Although the creation can somewhat be substantiated, the origin of the name is a different story, and not one we are willing to tackle.
Most theories have the name connected to a real Mary, but our Bloody Mary story is that the Verde Canyon Railroad's vodka and tomato juice concoction, most notably a daytime drink, is loaded with so many veggies,
including pepperoncini, pepper jack cheese, green olives, a celery stick, and candied bacon.
That's why we call it
lunch.